Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to configure Mendeley to be able to synchronize all your data onto another cloud than the one provided by Mendeley itself. So first, let's just sign in using your own credentials and see what happens when you configure Mendeley using the default setup. So I just connected. I don't have anything downloaded yet, so it's gonna start retrieving all the data from the Mendeley server, and let's just wait a little bit for that. And so basically what you want to do is actually to move all the data from the Mendeley folder into your cloud folder. Um, so first we need to locate where is the Mendeley folder, and so just select one document and right click on the file in the bottom of the panel, and then you can actually do open containing folder. So when you do that, then the Finder opens inside a downloaded folder here. And if we move up a little bit, we actually see that this folder is located inside Mendeley Desktop, which is also located inside Application Support, and inside the Library folder, inside your users folder. When you look at this folder, actually the library folder is missing, and that's because Apple is hiding it from you. So just right click and then show view options, and then hit the show library folder checkbox. Then once you've done that, you can see that the library folder is now showing, and you can actually go back to application support, Mendeley desktop, and here you have all your data from Mendeley, including the downloaded PDF files. So we want to move all that inside our cloud folder, and here we're gonna see how to do it for Google Drive, but it's basically the same for anything. First, let's close Mendeley desktop, and then let's open one very nice application that you can find for free online, which is called MacDropAny. So let's just open that application, and then it's pretty straightforward. We just have to choose the folder that we want to transfer to the cloud. So in our case, it's the library folder, application support, and then Mendeley desktop. So it's the entire folder with the database files and also the article PDFs. So let's just choose folder, and then you can actually select the clouds that you want to use. So here we choose Google Drive, and that's it. Just hit sync and the job is done. You can quit MacDropAny, and then in the Google Drive folder we now have the Mendeley desktop folder with the database here, and also the downloaded folder where all the PDFs are located. But there's one thing that you need to do in addition, because basically all your current files are going to be located in the downloaded, but then the future files that you want to add to Mendeley are not going to be synchronized inside the cloud. So let's go back to Mendeley and just open it, and basically you want to tell it to actually organize the files so that all the PDFs are going to be inside one of your Google Drive folders. So in order to allow Aziz Lite to automatically detect your PDF folder, we're going to choose the same folder as the one used for downloaded files. So just hit the Organize My File checkbox, and then browse and select the Google Drive, then Mendeley desktop, and then the downloaded folder here. If you don't do that, then Aziz Lite won't be able to retrieve any of the new articles that you're going to feed inside Mendeley. So then you can hit choose and then OK, and that's basically it. Yeah, that's not a problem. You can check yes. And now if I want to add something inside Mendeley, then let's say I have on my desktop, I have some PDFs that are actually interesting, and let's say I transfer that one into Mendeley. Okay, so this is a really nice paper. Then what happened to it um, inside the Google Drive folder is that it has been transferred directly inside the downloaded. So now if I look for the last modified paper is actually this Nature Materials that I just transferred. So now that you've done that, you're good to go with Aziz Lite synchronization and basically any other cloud-based synchronization other than Mendeley. Thank you and enjoy the application.